Good morning, good afternoon, buenas tardes, hola, hola otra vez, Estefania, hello again. Muchas gracias por comprar otra motosierra. Eso es tres motosierra. Espero que ames la motosierra, Estefania. She has a beautiful saw and has fantastic compression, so I shall run her one last time before I put her in the box to you. Not run since the video, so timing, I can't think how long ago that was. Is that 2 weeks? Maybe 2 weeks. So choke, kill switch, throttle lock. Off. Maybe that's just residual fuel. No fuel, but a beautiful, beautiful running engine. Muchas gracias, Estefania. Espero que ames la motosierra. I hope you love the saw. And I hope we have many more days to come. Adios. Bye for now.